The fifth product on this list is the Rustic Buffalo Leather Toiletry Bag. Are you ready to take your travel experience to a new level of style and luxury? Hold on to your seats as we dive into the world of sophistication with the Rustic Toiletry Bag. Crafted from 100% genuine buffalo leather, this masterpiece has undergone traditional tanning techniques and polished with vegetable oils, resulting in a supple surface that boasts a soft, warm glow. Every detail on this bag is exquisite. The black embossed Rustic Town logo on the front, the exquisite two-tone finish, and the meticulous high-quality stitching. And let's not forget about the soft polyester lining that cradles your essentials, the robust metal YKK zippers that glide effortlessly, and the brass shoe rivets that add a touch of elegance. It's simply a work of art and a showcase of craftsmanship. Inside, you'll discover a spacious compartment designed to house your grooming essentials, shaving cream, brush, cologne, and more. Additionally, it has a pocket for your toothpaste, toothbrush, and razor. Plus, it has an easy opening dual zippered pocket and a secret internal zippered pouch for your emergency cash or credit cards. This Rustic Buffalo Leather Toiletry Bag isn't just a travel companion. It's your go-to organizer for cosmetics, craft materials, or stationery items. Furthermore, it comes with a sturdy handle for easy carrying or storage. Elevate your organization game with this piece of luxury. Its pros are: it is handcrafted from thick 100% genuine buffalo leather to produce an excellent quality bag. It is durable and sturdily constructed, and it has spacious interior compartments, dual zippered pockets, and a secret zippered pouch. However, its cons are: it is a bit too compact for full-size toiletries, and it has a strong leather odor. As we wrap up this review, we can't help but be impressed by the durability, versatility, and stylish vintage design of the Rustic Buffalo Leather Toiletry Bag, making it a practical choice for a quick getaway weekend.